Mastering British Idioms. Stop on a sixpence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing British expression, stop on a sixpence. This phrase is not only a testament to the richness of the English language but also a great example of how idioms can encapsulate cultural history and values. If you're eager to expand your English vocabulary and grasp some of the nuances of British English, you're in the right place. The phrase, stop on a sixpence, is used to describe the ability to stop very quickly or change direction suddenly. It originates from the United Kingdom, where a sixpence was a coin in use until the decimalisation of the British currency in 1971. Despite its small size, the sixpence held significant value, symbolizing the idiom's emphasis on precision and agility. To truly appreciate this idiom, we need to delve into a bit of history. The sixpence coin was first minted in the 16th century and remained in circulation until the early 1970s. It was a staple of British currency for centuries. The phrase itself likely originated from the early 20th century, a time when motor vehicles began to populate the roads, and the ability to stop quickly became increasingly important. In modern times, stop on a sixpence can be applied to various situations beyond its automotive origins. For instance, in sports, describing an athlete who can change direction quickly. In conversation, to highlight someone's ability to change their opinion or decision abruptly. Example sentences: the footballer was able to stop on a sixpence, leaving his opponent trailing behind. She can stop on a sixpence when she realizes she's heading in the wrong direction with her argument. This idiom is a beautiful example of how language evolves with society. While the sixpence coin is no longer in use, the phrase, stop on a sixpence, lives on, capturing a piece of British history and the human ability to adapt swiftly to changing circumstances. We hope you found this exploration of the phrase, stop on a sixpence, both informative and entertaining. Idioms like this enrich our language and offer insights into the cultures they come from. Keep practicing and incorporating these expressions into your conversations to truly sound like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating aspects of the English language in our next video. Happy learning!